Hello there, welcome to another lesson, and in today's lesson we are going to be looking at the F chord. Now just the words F chord are enough to strike fear into the heart of many a beginner guitarist, but in truth it's not so hard, and I think with a bit of practice anybody can master it. Its scary reputation is down to the fact that we're going to need to play two strings with one finger, and it also uses a slightly different left hand position and a different set of muscles to the chords that we've looked at so far. I suppose it'd be nice if we could avoid the F chord altogether, but unfortunately that's not really an option because there are just so many great songs around using an F chord. So we're going to need to deal with it. Let's face our fears and take a look. Here we have it, and what's special about the F chord is that we're using our first finger here to press down two notes at the same time at the first fret on the first and second strings. This is what's known as a bar, and it's indicated in the diagram by that little arc between the two dots at the first fret. Now in itself that's fairly easy. You can just press down firmly and get two clear notes. What's going to make it difficult is we also need to put our second finger down at the second fret on the third string and our third finger down at the third fret on the fourth string, and that makes it considerably harder because we want to keep our first finger nice and flat while staying up on the tips of our second and third fingers. And whilst we flatten our first finger, our other fingers seem to want to flatten down as well, and if you go onto the tip of those fingers then our first finger wants to go up onto its tip too, so they're kind of pulling against one another a little bit. And there's no easy solution to that I can offer you really other than practice. So we're going to just get our fingers into that shape, and then you need to test the strings one at a time for 4 clear notes, and then strum. You're not playing the low E and A string for this particular chord. Mastering the F chord really is all about perseverance. You just need to get your fingers into this shape every day, work on developing the right left hand position and the muscle strength so that this chord consistently sounds good. It may well take quite a bit of time before you get to that stage, but it is well worth it because, as I say, there are so many good songs around using an F chord. Once you've got it sounding good, then you need to work it into your playing like you've done with the other new chords we've looked at. So practice changing from F to any of the other chords you know, seeing if you can come up with some interesting sounds. And then we will be looking at a song using an F chord very soon as well. So good luck with all of that, and I'll see you for another lesson very soon.